How to change the Shopee phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the Shopee phone number. Open your web browser and type in shopee.com in the search bar. Once the shopee.com website loads, find your username and click on My Account. After clicking on your account, you might see a new page. Look for the option that says Edit Profile. You will find it in the left dashboard. Click on it. Now, you should be on the profile editing page. To add your phone number, find the section that mentions phone number. There should be an add button or a similar option next to it. Click on it. Follow the prompts or fill in the required fields to input your phone number. Remember to double check the number for accuracy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.